Hey guys, and welcome to my home.
Stuck in the past watching videos of us. I have been trying to get rid of your
In today's cleaning motivation, I am doing an after dark clean with me. This is a perfect representation of what my house is like when I'm not doing speed cleans throughout the day. My to-do list consists of closing the kitchen and resetting the lounge room, but I did create a free download for you guys if you wanted to create your own cleaning checklist and clean along with me.
Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart and you tore it apart.
I should mention that I by no means do this every single night. Some nights I make myself a hot chocolate and I go to bed because your girl needs sleep. I've got 2 babies and this is just not real life every night. But sometimes you just need to get back on track. You need to reset the house, you need to prepare for the next day and feel like you can tackle it in the best way possible. I find that a very cluttered area, especially in the mornings, is very hard to get my mind straight. I can't really get my thoughts together. The state of your bed is the state of your head, and that is so accurate for me.
Listening to sad songs and feeling so low, thinking about you and where we went wrong. I wanna know why you let me go.
In my last video, I mentioned I needed to grab a whole bunch of new cleaning supplies this week. That's exactly what I did, and I'm going to be showing them to you throughout the video, as well as a couple of low-tox options if that's more your style.
Down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart and you tore it apart. Don't know why you had to hurt me like that. 'Cause now I'm messed up, drinking non-stop, just trying to forget you and everything we said. But I can't seem to get these thoughts out of my head. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? Love me like that. Oh.
I picked up a new multi-purpose spray. It's new for me anyway. Wild Rhubarb is their scent and it smells incredible. Something else I picked up was a whole bunch of these crafty bits from Kmart, and I want to organize those, so I'm going to do that now.
I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me?
I grabbed some of these organizational sleeves just to pop all of Sophie's crayons into those bags. Then I can use this container, which is actually mine from when I was a kid, by the way. I also think I could use that container to organize Sophie's toys a lot better than having crayons in there. So much wasted space that could be put towards something better. Once again, I will say that I don't do this every night. I do not sit down and organize Sophie's craft supplies every night or sort out my handbag, but I always am so appreciative in the mornings when I've done this the night before. I find I'm a much happier person. I'm even a better mum when these things are already done, and I have a clear mind to focus on things that are more important than housework.
Even when it don't feel right, you know I'm a party with her.
These videos are not designed to make you feel bad about yourself or make you feel bad for the fact that you didn't get a whole bunch of housework done. This video is simply cleaning motivation to help you get done around your house what it is you need to get done, make you feel like you're the best version of yourself and that you can tackle absolutely anything, because you can.
I don't wanna let it down, so I'm telling her yes. Though I'm kinda down from the pain in my chest.
Like, I'm not gonna lie guys, I procrastinated on cleaning these pram seats way longer than needed to be done, and I just thought that the task was gonna be bigger in my head than it actually turned out to be. Usually is the case. Now that they are actually clean, I feel so much better. And I don't actually feel like folding these clothes, so I'm not going to right now. I'm going to do it at the very end when I'm watching my shows. I find it much more relaxing that way. Folding generally makes me quite tired, but I am going to sort out the socks because I did all those ones earlier and I feel quite, I don't know, ball busted by the fact that there was a whole bunch more socks that needed to be folded. So now that that's done, I'm going to tackle the dining table. It's a love-hate relationship I have with the glass furniture. One day I love it, I love the way it looks. The next day it'll have fingerprints on it and I absolutely hate it. I did make a video on it, but you can actually place these IKEA high chairs to plastic portions straight into the dishwasher. Moving on now, I'm going to organize my children's toy box. I find that they just have a better time. They can find everything a lot easier. There's less tantrums when everything's organized and they know exactly where they can find their toys. When the toy box is a big mess, it's almost like they forget these toys even exist.
Though she broke my heart in a million ways, but I'm putting that aside now. I'ma feel alright.
Besides that folding that needed to be done and is staring at me from the corner of the room, I'm going to vacuum in here as one of the last things to be done. I found that carpet powder I was talking about in my last video, which is the Country Vanilla. It smells incredible. I absolutely love it. But the kitchen needs to be dealt with. We're going to close up the kitchen together. I have some new tea towels I picked up from Kmart. I want to wash those. I want to put the cleaning supplies away, and I wanted to show you this fabric softener, which is pretty cool. It's a clear one. I've never seen one like that before. And I also picked up some new dish cleaning supplies.
Even when it don't feel right, yeah. You know I'm a party with her.
Don't even ask me what I've spilt on this cupboard here, and because I'm not actually 100% sure, I think it's perfect time to change out the microfiber cloth. And what I like to focus on in the kitchen is I'm not cleaning up my hot water dispenser every night. I do like to refill it every night and make sure it's prepared, ready to go for the next morning. But I just really want to have the surfaces wiped down, so the bench is done, anything ready that might need to be done for breakfast, no clutter. Of course, we need to take the disgusting rubbish out. I've double checked the house is locked and the cars are locked. I'm also going to make sure that the dishwasher is running its cycle. I always like to make sure that the sink is clean. And if I'm feeling really productive, I'll make sure that I pull out something from the freezer for tomorrow night's dinner.
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you?
I think one of the reasons that this after dark clean is so important in my household is just things would get forgotten otherwise. For example, I didn't know that this load of washing needed to be hung out, and the clothes obviously would have gone moldy otherwise. I'm gonna fold up the rest of those clothes, watch my shows. I'm gonna show you some beautiful after shots if I do say so myself. I can see that 50% of you are not subscribed. Did you know that it's free and it only takes 1 second? So if you're not already, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah!